So, if your StockX order got canceled in 2026, yeah, like it disappeared or got refunded, don't panic. This usually happens for a clear reason, and there are ways to fix or prevent it. First, open your order details and check the cancellation reason. StockX usually explains why it was canceled. Next, most cancellations happen because the payment failed or was not authorized by your bank. Now, make sure your billing address and card details are correct. Even small mismatches can trigger cancellation. Sometimes the seller doesn't ship the item in time, so StockX cancels the order automatically. Next, check if your account has any restrictions or verification issues that could block orders. Now, if everything looks fine, try placing the order again. Sometimes it's just a temporary system issue. Next, update your payment method or switch to another card or PayPal account. If the issue continues, contact StockX support and share your order ID so they can investigate. Finally, always keep your payment details updated and make sure your account is fully verified to avoid future cancellations. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX order canceled issues step by step in 2026.